Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use laptop with screen closed. To begin, enter power in the search box. Click Choose a power plan. Here, click on choosing what closing the lid does. After this, both in the on battery and plugged in options, in the line when I close the lid, select Do Nothing. Click on Save Changes to apply this. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.